Hello, students. How are you guys doing? I'm just here to give you my let you know what I am reading right now. And the book I'd recommend that I'm reading right now. About halfway through a book called Stamped from the Beginning, which is by the author Ibram X. Kendi, and this is also subtitled A Definitive History of Racist Ideas in America. About halfway through right now, and as a historian, someone who's taught world history and U.S. history, I really like this book as a complement to my U.S. history that I've learned. And it definitely presents a lot more racist ideas that have come up in this country and tells it through like 5 main characters' life experiences. So, highly recommend the book Stamped from the Beginning. Ibram X. Kendi also wrote another book recently called How to Be an Anti-Racist. I did read that this summer, which basically lets you he basically defines all the different forms of racism, or if you want to call it discrimination, that exist out there, and how you as a person can be someone who fights against racism in policies that exist. And he calls that, being more of an anti-racist, rather than being someone who says, I'm either racist or not racist. He says, no, you should be fighting against racism. Okay, if you don't want to read Stamped from the Beginning, there's another book called Stamped, which is co-written by Jason Reynolds, who's another awesome author. Stamped, Racism, Anti-Racism, and You. It's called a remix book. It's more for like young adults, so probably more for like your guys' age students. If you want to check that out, I would highly recommend it. I am really enjoying the book and learning a lot.